ACCSOON CineEye turns your iPad, iPhone, and Android device into a wireless monitor. With this powerful 5G video transmitter, you can have up to 4 devices connected at once, up to 100 meters away. This pocket-sized HD video transmitter allows you to take your shots to new heights and review them from extreme distances. Now your client, director, choreographer, and makeup artist can all keep tabs on every shot, making sure every I is dotted and T is crossed. No need to have clients or crew over your shoulder reviewing shots. No more wasted time to play back takes just to see if you got it. The CineEye is lightweight, but heavy on features. Very low latency for real-time monitoring. 100-meter broadcast range to monitor video from offset. 3D LUT loading for a more immersive viewing experience. Full-size HDMI accepts 1080p at 60, 30, and 24 frames per second. It's highly resistant against interference and will find a clean channel for optimal picture quality. And its 4-hour battery can be charged during use to keep you shooting all day. The app has cool viewing features, such as grayscale, RGB, focus peaking, false colors, histogram, zebras, 3D LUT loading, waveform monitor, the ability to choose a Wi-Fi channel or have it automatically switch to the cleanest channel for you, and protect your signal with a unique password. The universal 1/4-20 thread with included cold shoe adapter gives you limitless mounting options, and its small size allows you to easily mount it anywhere and not add weight to your rig. HD wireless video monitoring is now accessible by all. Connect to the CineEye Wi-Fi, launch the app, and that's it.